Good morning students. This class we are going to learn about factorizing the quadratic polynomial. I will explain some example problems. Listen it. Example 3.27. Factorize 2x square plus 15x plus 27. I will select one shortcut method. So we follow it. Okay. 2x square plus 15x plus 27. Listen. First you find out the product of the polynomial. Product of the quadratic polynomial. Product is you find the product of the constant term and the coefficient of x square. Constant and coefficient of x square is the product value, and sum is the middle value of this quadratic polynomial. Okay, so the product is multiply the constant and the coefficient of x square term. So we get 27 into 2. 27 2s are 54, and the sum is, take the middle value of the quadratic polynomial 15. So we want the product is 54 and the sum is 15. So we use the table, find out if you multiplied what are the numbers, we get the product is 54. We find out first that values. So 1 into 54 is 54, 2 27s are 54, 3 into 18s are 54, 6 9s are 54. Okay, this 4 values. Select the possible product. Okay, listen, the first product 1 into 54 is equal to 54. If you add this two number, we get 55. Subtract the number, we get 53. But our sum value is 15. So you don't take this product value. Okay, listen, 2 into 27s are 54. Now you add 27 and 2, we get 29. Subtraction is 25. But our number is 15. So you don't select this product also. The next product, 3 18s are 54. Add 3 and 18, we get 21. Subtraction is 15. Okay, addition is 21. Subtraction is, we get 15. Now you select this product, you don't get 54 because 3 into, now we take minus 18, we get minus 54, and the sum of the term 3 minus 18 is, we get minus 15. Take 18 minus 3, we get 15. But the product of this two number is minus 54. So you cannot take this product also. Now last product is 6 into 9. Add these two numbers, we get 15. Okay, subtraction is 3. We get it 3. But we add these two numbers, we get the positive product also. So select 6 and 9. So the product of 6 and 9 is 54, and the addition value of 6 and 9 is, we get 15. So this two numbers satisfy the product and the sum. So select 6 and 9. Now you check the coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square is 2. Don't forget this step. Very very important step. Coefficient of x square is 1. You get the 6 and 9 is the answer. But here the coefficient of x square is 2. So you must divide these two numbers by 2. 6 by 2 and 9 by 2. 6 by 2 is 1 2 is 2. 3 2s are 6. Here the numbers now cancelled. So the answer is, you find out the coefficient of x terms. So we use the factors using this x terms. So x plus 3 into x plus 9 by 2. X plus 3 into x plus 9 by 2. So x plus 3 into this x plus 9 by 2, just you take the cross product and write. X into 2 is, we get 2x plus 9. Okay, x into 2 is 2x plus 9. So the factor of the given question is x plus 3 into 2x plus 9. This is the factor, x plus 3 into 2x plus 9. Again one more time I will repeat the answer. Factorize 2x square plus 15x plus 27. So you should multiply the constant term and the coefficient of x square. So 27 2s are the product is 54 and the addition is the coefficient of x value. So sum value is 15. Product is 54 and the addition is 15. So what are the numbers? You select and write. So if you multiplied 6 and 9, we get 54. And if we add 6 and 9, we get 15. So these two numbers only satisfied this product and the sum. So you select 6 and 9. But the coefficient of x square is 2. So you must divide by 2 that numbers. So 6 by 2 and 9 by 2. 6 by 2 we get it 3 and 9 by 2 we keep it. So we use this number, write the factors of the given question. X plus 3 into x plus 9 by 2. So x plus 3 into, just you take the cross product of the denominator and x, we get 2x plus 9. So this is the factor of the given question. Okay, listen the next question. Example 3.28. Factorize 2x square minus 15x plus 27. 2x square minus 15x plus 27. The previous sum method, but the signs only different. Sign different, okay. Then before question, here the plus term is given, but this question is negative sign. So the product is 54. You multiplied the constant and the coefficient of x square. Constant and the coefficient of x square is 54. And the middle is the sum value. That is coefficient of x is the sum of the term. Minus 15. The same number you select 9 and 6. But you want minus 15. So here you write negative sign. This number near also you write negative sign. Then only we get addition is minus 15 and the multiplication is we get 54. Because minus into minus is we get plus 54. And addition minus 6 and minus 9 add but write the negative sign. Okay, so minus 15. Here also you check the coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square is 2. So divide this 2 number by 2. So minus 6 by 2 is 1 2 is 2. 3 2s are 6. Here minus 9 by 2. So write in the factors of the given question using x term. X minus 3 into x minus 9 by 2. X minus 3 into x minus 9 by 2. So x minus 3 into, you take the cross product, we get 2x minus 9. Okay. So x minus 3 into 2x minus 9 is the factor of this question. Example 3.31. Balance questions you do it. Okay. Example 3.31. Factorize x plus y the whole square plus 9 into x plus y plus 20. This quadratic polynomial with the coefficient x plus y. The before question's coefficient x, but this question coefficient is x plus y. Okay, write the answers in terms of x plus y. So here the coefficient of x plus y the whole square is, we take 1. Okay, coefficient of x plus y the whole square is 1 and the coefficient of x plus y is 9 and the constant term is 20. So the product is you multiply the constant term and the coefficient of x plus y the whole square. So 20 into 1 we get the product is 20 and the sum. Sum is the coefficient of x plus y term is sum. So 9. Product is 20 and the sum is 9. So you select the possibility numbers. What are the numbers are possible? 5 and 9 because 5 and 4. Okay, because 5 fours are, the product is 20. If you add this two number we get 9. We use the tabular tables, we get 3 set of numbers, but the possibility is 4 into 5 or 5 into 4. Other tables you don't use it because the addition and the subtraction we get the different values. So only the possibility is 5 fours are 20. Okay, so select this one. Product is 20 and the addition is 9. See the coefficient of x plus y the whole square 1. So don't find out the division. Using this two number write the answer in terms of x plus y. So the factor of the given question is x plus y plus 5 into x plus y plus 4. The coefficient is x plus y, the join and write. So x plus y plus 5 into x plus y plus 4 is the answer. Again I will repeat. Find out the coefficient of x plus y the whole square, x plus y. Okay. Then find out the product of constant and the coefficient x plus y the whole square is 20. The sum is the middle term, that is coefficient of x plus y, 9. So the possibility number 5 and 4. Then only we get the product is 20 and the addition is 9. So the coefficient of x plus y the whole square 1. 1 is the coefficient. So straightly write the answer. X plus y plus 5 into x plus y plus 4. Exercise 3.6. Third question, third part. Third question, third part. Root 5 a square plus 2a minus 3 root 5. This one also quadratic polynomial with the coefficient is a. Okay. So write the answer using the term a. See the product and sum. Multiply the constant term and the coefficient of a square. Constant and coefficient of a square is root 5 into minus 3 root 5. What's the value? Root 5 into minus 3 root 5 is, multiplied this two number, root 5 into root 5, we get 5. Okay. So minus 3 into 5. Minus 3 into 5 is minus 15. This is the product number, minus 15. And the middle term of a is 2. Middle term of a is 2. So the sum is 2. So product of two number is minus 15 and the sum of the number is 2. Say the possibility number. 5 3s are 15. 5 3s are 15, but you want minus 15 and 2. So you subtract this two number. Where you substitute the negative number sign? Smaller number near. Then only we get 2. Okay. If you substitute the greater number near the negative sign, we get minus 2. Multiplication minus 15, but addition is not satisfied. So you select the smaller number near, write the negative sign. We get the subtraction is 2 and the product is minus 15. So the possible number 5 and minus 3. Okay, 5 and minus 3. So check the coefficient of a square. Coefficient of a square is root 5. Coefficient of a square is root 5. So you should divide this two number by root 5. So 5 by root 5 minus 3 by root 5. 5 by root 5. 5 is splitted into root 5 into root 5. Because root 5 into root 5 we get 5. So 5 is root 5 into root 5. Denominator is 1 root 5. So root 5 cancelled. The balance is root 5. So here we get the balance is root 5. This term you keep it. So we using this two number, write the factors using the coefficient a. Okay. So a plus root 5 into, here we get a root 5 only balance. 1 root 5 is root 5. Root 5 into root 5 sir, we get 5. So a plus root 5 into a minus 3 root by root 5. A plus root 5 into a minus 3 by root 5. Then take the cross product. A into root 5. So a plus root 5 into, the cross product is root 5a minus 3. Root 5a minus 3. So the factor of the question is a plus root 5 into root 5a minus 3. Listen the sixth part. 1 by x square plus 1 by y square plus 2 by x by y. Factorize the quadratic polynomial. This one also quadratic polynomial with the coefficient is 1 by x square. So arranging the terms. 1 by x square. Next you write 1 by x. Last you can write the constant term. Okay, so 1 by x square plus 2 by y into 1 by x. This 2 by xy, it can be written as 2 by y into 1 by x. Because you write the quadratic polynomial with the coefficient 1 by x. Okay, so 1 by x square plus 2 by y into 1 by x plus, this is the constant term, 1 by y square. So you find out the product. Product is constant into coefficient of 1 by x square. Coefficient of 1 by x square is 1. So the product is 1 by y square and the sum is coefficient of 1 by x. Coefficient of 1 by x is 2 by y. So 2 by y. Product is 1 by y square and the sum is 2 by y. So the possibility number is 1 by y and 1 by y. You find out the product of this two number. We get 1 by y into 1 by y is 1 by y square. And the addition is 1 by y plus 1 by y is equal to denominator equal. So we add the numerator. So 2 by y. Okay. So possibility is 1 by y and 1 by y. But the coefficient of 1 by x square is 1 only. So straight answers. Straight answer is we use this 1 by x term because the quadratic polynomial coefficient is 1 by x. So we use this 1 by x and this number. The factor of this question is 1 by x plus 1 by y into, again we get the same number 1 by x plus 1 by y, or 1 by x plus 1 by y the whole square. Okay. This line you write the answer, or 1 by x plus 1 by y the whole square. This is the answers. This like you complete the exercise problems. Thank you, students.